Hey guys, welcome to Building a Better Machine Over the Wire Challenge, level 7. Let's get into it. The password for the next level is stored in a file, data.txt. Next in the word million. I know this is going to be grep because grep deals with strings inside of files. Find that data.txt grep that's a straight up guess. Oh, there it is. Holy crap. But why did it, no such file or directory, cat find. What did I do? I don't like that arrow. We got the password, so find minus type F. Anyway, if I do this, since it's what did I work on yesterday? I worked on something yesterday. File. There's a better way to do this. That's what I'm looking for. Let's see if I did cat data.txt pipe grep mills. Yeah, let's call it that. Control C. Tab. That's the end of that. 5. See you in the next one.